Woodcraft's clip-on risers are available in 5 heights and are known for being economical, lightweight, and easy to install while being strong enough to hold up even if you go down. For more on these clip-on risers, we go to Woodcraft's president, Eric Wood.
This is our clip-on riser assembly. It's very similar to our clip-on assembly in that it has that split design that allows you to easily service the bike when these are mounted below triple clamps, as most risers are. Our modular riser system has 5 different options. You can go from 0 to 3 inches in half-inch increments, and it gives you the opportunity to custom tailor your motorcycle. Some bikes, even race bikes, we found have problems with a straight clip-on. They're too low. You end up interfering with the gauges or something like that. You know, in fact, it was the Honda CBR 600 that spawned us to chase this riser idea, because without an aftermarket fairing stay and cut some clearance away in a few spots, like those bikes couldn't use a standard clip-on. So we made a 1.5-inch riser for, I believe it was the 07 CBR 600 RR, and then we said, okay, hey, as long as we're doing this, we applied it to a whole bunch of other models. And you'll see as you look at the product that there's a really nice triangle of support with the bolts. We have 2 big 8mm bolts and then a top pinching 6mm bolt to secure us in place. And there's a mating precision machined boss on the base clamp that is mated to a female side on the riser, and so it locks in place. So that thing is really secure and solid when you're riding the motorcycle. And we've had guys, you know, AMA Superbike on 1000cc bikes, okay, tell them to test this thing, and they're solid as a rock.